Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebroke Adventure. Today we're gonna give you a close look at the VEVOR Bimini top. This is the 61 to 66 inch wide 3-bow Bimini top. This thing's gonna be perfect on my classic Boston whaler, 13-foot whaler. Let's take a close look at this thing and show you what comes in the package. All right, you're gonna have your installation instruction manual, of course. Here is the top. Nice, like just a serious canvas top on that. You can get up close at that material. Nice heavy duty canvas top. Real nice stitching on that. Pretty impressed with that. It comes in a couple different colors. Make sure you get the right color you want. I think it's a blue and a gray color. Comes in different sizes too. Make sure you measure your boat. Look at that. That Bimini top's gonna come with the Bimini top zipper cover on that. Let's get a close look at the zipper here. You can see the quality on this. I mean, right, first impression, super impressed for sure. Set this off to the side. Let's look at the hardware here. All right. Nice heavy duty hardware with the thumb screws. That way you can take this Bimini top off really easy and then put it on whenever you want, depending on what the weather's like. Nice nylon straps with that. All the hardware you need. Stainless steel screws and clips. That's really nice having those stainless steel clips like that instead of plastic clips. Those things are gonna last forever. Let's take a look at the actual tubing on this. Another thing I'm super impressed with, if you look at this, the way it's packaged, come in close here and look at the packaging on this, right? It comes with this protective plastic coat. Looks like it's gonna come off real easy, but you're gonna have a nice anodized, polished aluminum. Everything snaps together real easy with these little push button snaps, right? Comes apart, only goes one way. Real hard to mess this thing up. You see here where these connectors are, you have this little O-ring. You don't have to worry about the canvas snagging on these raw edges. You can see it's 1-inch tubing, 1-inch aluminum tubing. Looks like a 1/8 inch or a 1/16 of an inch thick wall on that. 1-inch tubing. That's pretty heavy duty tubing on this. I'm actually really impressed with this. We're gonna put this thing together, show you what it looks like together. We can't install it yet until we finish painting the inside of the boat. This will give you a good idea of what this product looked like. So we got it all installed. We got it all put together. It's not installed, it's put together. Took us probably 20-25 minutes to get all the pieces sorted out and snapped together, but it actually went together real smooth. The cover fits on really nice. We get up close here. We'll go ahead and open this thing up. Yeah, this is gonna be a real nice Bimini for this boat. You can see here. That folds right out. You got your solid, right here. You have your solid braces that are gonna mount to the back, so you can run that in a closed position but up. You can disconnect them, it'll fold flat, and your straps, of course, are gonna tie right here to the bow to hold that together. But that is definitely gonna give us all the shade we need on this little boat. Hey, make sure you check the links below. You purchase something through one of those links, I get a small commission. That helps me keep this channel alive. So anything that I've got linked down there, take a look at it. So yeah, the VEVOR Bimini top. Nice Bimini top, I'm pretty impressed with it. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time, bloop.